Hey guys, Ed here, and today in this video I'd like to show you how to take off your door panel in Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm gonna show you on rear side, rear door panel, on this right here, since what I have to do, I have to remove the handle here, and to do so, well, I have the handle here, but I have to remove the panel. So for whatever reason you have to do it, this video will show you how to take it off. So let's start. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take a Phillips screwdriver and remove these two screws. We have one screw here, hope you guys can see, and another one is right here. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I have both screws out. So the next step will be taking a flathead screwdriver, finding a gap right here. As you can see, there's a little gap. Hope you guys can see it right here. Okay, so I'm putting my screwdriver in, and what the thing is, what's going on right now, there are clips around the perimeter, okay, around the perimeter right here inside, and they are holding the panel to the door. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unclip all clips and take the panel off. So let's start. I'm gonna put you guys here so you guys can see. Okay, that was easy. So, okay, yeah, good. So now, once we have everything unclipped, let's take this thing off. Same way, just take it here, open this clip like this. This is out, and now we're able to raise the panel up. Just raise it up. Okay, nice. Over here we have a link. We have to disconnect it. Disconnect it like this. As you can see, check it open and raise up. And then we should disconnect the connector by pressing this here. You see this metal piece? Press on it from here. Press on it and pull out. That's it. You have the panel out. Okay. Okay, guys. It also happens that the clip might have stayed like this in the door, so you'll have to get it out. Okay. Once you have it out, just slide it back in like this. Okay. Yeah. Well, in my case, I broke two off, so be prepared for that. Be careful and don't break yours. So this is how you take the panel off. Okay, guys, so now let's put the panel back on. So what we do first, so we're gonna take the panel, connect the connector, and connect the handle. You get it in first inside here. Inside. So connect this to here. So you put this link inside, and then you just close it like this. Snap it together. Once you snap it together, you take your clips, put them back in place. And first you have to put the top on. So first put the top on. Okay, good. Well, but make sure that you have a button here sticking out. Okay, so this is what I meant. Now you have to align the pins and clips with the door. So I have a clip here, so it has to go in, goes in and stays in here. Okay. Okay, well set. This is how you do this. Next step, we will need to put our two screws back in here and back in here, and once you're done with that, you're all set. So guys, if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.